What's going on? Your Weekend Gardener with Evie.
Evie.
Yeah. All right, we're back with another taste test of fruit. And this one is a Fuyu Persimmon. Have you ever had a Fuyu Persimmon before?
Yeah.
Oh, you
in
did?
Brazil.
This type or chocolate?
Both.
Oh, you had both?
Yeah.
Okay.
In Brazil, they call it kaki.
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 Just kaki, not Fuyu?
No, just kaki, but different types. Chocolate kaki or fuyu kaki or...
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, so this is a non-extringent, which means that you can eat it right off the tree. Because you know what extringent means, right?
Yeah, I know.
Make your face. Well, this is not it. So this is sweet. And also, I'm assuming our guest likes the... Where is he? Oh, he's almost asleep.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm assuming as soon as she cuts this open, he's going to wake up. Okay. Does this have seeds?
Yes.
Ooh, okay.
Yes.
Maybe.
So look at that.
Maybe we're going to try to grow a persimmon from seed. It may take about 10 years, but hey, let's try it.
Cut in half. A half for me, another for you.
Ooh. Wait. Yeah.
I love this fruit.
Yeah, you do?
Yeah. I know the taste. But...
You know the taste? Is that a seed you crunching? Was that a seed I heard crunching?
No, it's not the seed. It's the it's country. Crunchy.
Yeah.
The seed.
Oh, so it's crunchy. Okay. So it kind of looks like a
Where is the seed?
little pumpkin.
Looks like a pumpkin.
I guess a pumpkin.
Your turn.
Okay. Okay. Sweet.
Sweet.
Soft.
Very sweet.
Soft.
Soft.
What do you give it? Scale 1 to 10.
10.
Okay.
I gave to you a little small.
Just in case.
Yeah, just to more for me.
Because you know what? To be honest, as far as fruit, a lot of people probably watch these fruit taste tests and say, well, he don't like anything. And I'm going to be real with you. Out of the fruits that I've eaten in life, I can honestly say I've had oranges, apple, grapes, bananas, watermelon, cantaloupe.
Peach.
Never had a peach.
No.
Never had an apricot.
Tangerine.
Well, that's the part of the orange family.
Yeah.
So my variety of fruit in my life has been very, very small. And people probably say, that's real weird. You know, you grow vegetables, you grow fruit. But I was just a plain kid. Apples, you know, that's all I've eaten. Oh, and pomegranate. I had pomegranate.
Okay.
But as far as the variety of fruits, I just started eating different types of fruits once I started really, really gardening and creating this content. So a lot of this stuff is brand new to me. And people probably don't, they probably look at this and say, oh man, he had that before. No, honestly. All the fruits that we had in Brazil, I've never had before. Yeah. Persimmon, that chocolate persimmon, that was the first time. I believe I may have had this one before here in America. But we'll see. And you said it's a 10.
Do you like it?
Okay.
I tried to find the seeds.
I don't think there's seeds in this. No, I don't see any seeds.
Tiny, you see?
Okay. Well, if I saw this in a grocery store again, I would get it. I give this about an 8. It's not bad at all.
8?
Yeah, I give it an 8.
Yeah.
It's sweet, juicy, which I like in fruit. Yeah, I will buy it again.
Good.
So I know this one is done, right?
Of course.
Between you and the hellhound, this is gone.
And Romeo loved this fruit.
I'm surprised he didn't wake up.
Yeah, he's very tired. Let me see.
Yeah,
He love this fruit.
he had a walk today. Walked the neighborhood. Did he eat it?
He ate it.
Okay, he ate it. I haven't heard his number yet, but from us, it's a 10 and an 8. Boom. Peace out. Thanks for joining.
Bye, guys.
See you on the next one.